morning students. In this video, we will calculate packing efficiency in BCC. BCC means Body Centered Cubic Unit Cell. Look at the diagram of BCC unit cell. In BCC, 4 corners are occupied and these 4 corners are also occupied. That means total 8 corner lattice sides are occupied and one side at a center of body is occupied. Now we need to calculate body diagonal in case of BCC because one sphere is at a center of unit cell and it is in contact with sphere on these 2 corners. So accordingly I have named them A, B, C and D. So we are just concerned with this lower face and we are concerned with this body diagonal BD. So what is body diagonal BD that we need to calculate? So the edge length of a unit cell I have named as A. So AB is equal to A. AC is also edge length which is also equal to A. CD is edge length which is equal to A. And what is B? We can calculate using Pythagoras theorem. So here I have shown you ABCD. In this particular triangle is a right angle triangle and this is the hypotenuse of that particular triangle. So let us see what is packing efficiency. So packing efficiency is volume of atoms divided by volume of unit cell multiplied with 100. Now since it is BCC, we have already calculated that it contains 2 spheres per unit cell. So we have written here volume of 2 atoms in BCC divided by volume of unit cell multiplied with 100 because we are calculating in terms of percentage. Now volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So since there are 2 atoms or 2 spheres, volume of 2 atoms will be 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube which is 8 pi r cube upon 3. So 4 2s are 8. So 8 pi r cube upon 3. Now consider triangle BCD. I will be showing it here. BCD. So this is the triangle which you need to consider. BD square, that is hypotenuse. BD square is equal to CD square plus BC square. So CD square plus BC square. Now BC square, you need to learn from here. BC is a hypotenuse for AC and AB. It is a face diagonal. So BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. So substituting for BC square, which is AB square plus AC square, my formula becomes BD square is equal to CD square plus AB square plus AC square. Thus BD we have named as small b. So small b square is equal to A square plus A square plus A square, where A is the edge length of a unit cell. So B square is equal to 3A square. So square root of that is B, which is equal to square root of 3A. So B is equal to root 3A. Now look at the diagram again. Now this BD contains 3 spheres. This is at the center of body and this is on the corner ones, corner B and corner D. So in this diagram it is along this dotted line B, D and this is the middle sphere. So this sphere, this length is equal to 4r, radius of first sphere, diagonal of second sphere and radius of third sphere. So B's value is equal to 4r from the diagram and B is also equal to root 3a. So 4r is equal to root 3a or value of a is equal to 4r upon root 3. So this root 3 you have to transfer here. to get value of A. Now substitute in our packing efficiency formula, this formula we will get volume of two sphere we calculated as 8 by 3 pi r cube. From here we substituted. This is 4r upon root 3 is A. So volume of unit cell is A cube. So 4r upon root 3 whole cube. A cube is 4r upon root 3 whole cube multiplied with 100. So numerator is 8 by 3 pi r cube. Denominator is 4 cube is 64. Then root 3 is written as 3 root 3. 64 divided by 3 root 3 and r cube is written outside the bracket. Whole thing multiplied with 100. Substitute value of pi as 3.14 and when you solve the whole equation you will get your answer as 68. So it is 68%. So the packing efficiency in body centered cubic unit cell is 68%, which is less than FCC but more than SCC. So body centered is less than face centered but more than simple cubic unit cell. Thank you.